Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change playtime lock on your Switch Parental Control app. So to do this you need to open the app. I have biometrics, so I need to do a fingerprint scan like this. Now go to settings, playtime limit, and from here you can set the days individually. So you can set, for example, Monday the restriction will be for 1 hour, and for Tuesday it will be 0 minutes. Or you can also disable that and press the limit for every day, for example 1 hour. You can also do bedtime alarm on whatever hour you prefer, and you can also suspend any software. So that's it for the playtime limit. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.